Homepage. In computers with multiple users, it is recommended to right-click on the exe file of the software and from the very beginning select Run this program as an administrator option and perform the installation process by running the exe file according to the past. In the setting page after connecting to the device in the table in the Connection and Hardware tab, the controller version, the front panel of the device, and the macro on the device can be seen. AMT Sequencer. In the Transient and in the Stimulation tab, 2 stable power swing and single line test modes are added. Also, in Unstable Power Swing mode, a new field called Measuring Location is added for the user to have the beginning and end of the line, current and voltage during the oscillation. The default color option in Vector View performs correctly. Immediately after selecting this option, the color of the color column cell and the vector color in the graph are colored in the original color. After operating the overcurrent block in AMT Sequencer, it can be seen that the sensitive as separate fold option is disabled. In some cases, instantaneous peaks occur during testing which are not visible in signal view. For this purpose, an option called Sensitive Signal View is added in the setting so that such peaks can be viewed in zoom out and optimize all modes. AMT overcurrent. If more detailed section does not display chart information for you, you must disable beta and use the formulation used for worldwide language support. Circuit breaker. In the Timing Test tab, a new section called Other is added as to change the status of the key contact from open to close or from close to open. To perform it, first select one of the options according to the status of the key, and then click on Change Position option. For example, if the contact key is closed and you want to open it, first select Close Breaker before Test option and then click on Change Position. After clicking on this option, a message is displayed to the user asking them to check the wire if the winding is open or closed. Click on Yes and otherwise click on No. It should be noted that by performing this option, results aren't recorded in the report. Transformer. A no-load current test is added on the No-Load tab. In this tab, you can only calculate no-load current of trans.